This just came in from Amazon. I'm kind of just doing a look at and a quick connect just to make sure that it's actually working, and I'm showing you what you get. It comes in this brown box. Is a 100-foot flat braided Cat 6A cable, rated at, because it's 100 feet, I think you can get, oh, it's 6A, so it's even the full amount, the whole 300 feet, right? 300 feet, I believe. Length of the cable, you can still get 10 gigs of data over that. I got this because I'm replacing a 50-foot cable because I'd like to run it around edges of my doorway, and I'm looking for basically a home run from one end to the other instead of a patch down cable, patching it down. I bought it flat because I'd like to pile them on top of each other so I can hide them easily, and they'll be flat on the actual rug. What is that? Oh, they give you a small one too. So it's only 100 feet long. Just want to make sure it actually works. They give you a small one. Let me measure this. Uh, 21.5 inches is the one that they give you. So it's about 1.5 feet. I'm not gonna measure this one. I believe that it's 100 feet long, and I'm gonna take, you know what, maybe I'll just double check it, but I'm sure that it's 100 feet long. So I'm assuming that these are the same cables, except that they give you a tiny one for some reason. No complaints here. Looks well made. So I'm looking to run about 6 of these, 4 to 6 of them. And what I want to do is actually put them on top of each other like that. Keep them flat. So pretty much after about 4 or 6, it will, this 4 or 6 cables will look like the size of just one circular cable. Do you understand what I mean? So I'll have the same amount of space taken up with 6 of these cables on each other than having 6 of regular size circular cable. It'll be thicker. These will be thinner than the thicker cables, which will make it that I'm getting 6 cables instead of just 1 cable. Just trying to make it simulate the same amount of space of a thicker cable. Let me give you what I mean. So this is pretty much the thickness of a regular cable. And if I took this and I bent it 4 times, I bent it over twice to simulate 4 cables, let's say on top of each other, right, like that, it would probably be just a little bit thicker. But remember, this is 1 cable, so I think I can get 3 flat cables to simulate 1 cable. So maybe 6 of them will be 2 of these cables, but I would be getting 6 runs instead of just 2 runs. So that's what I'm doing, the space. And this actually, yeah, it's the same. And it's braided. And I'm just gonna be doing a quick test. I'm gonna connect it to my laptop and see if it works. That's it. These tend to work. I haven't had any issues. The one I have, same flat cable, different brand, but it's worked fine for me for many, many years, and they're 50-foot runs. So I had a cover on a pass-through from one space to the other, covering the cables. I want to get rid of that and just run the cables around the doorways. And again, if I get them on top of each other nice and neat, you won't see them, hopefully. So let's try it out, and I'll let you know if it's working. I'll do a speed test. All right, it's working. Let me do it again. I have 1 gig ISP up and down. Or actually, I think it's 920, 890 is the actual numbers that they guarantee. So I'm getting those. I'm getting more than those numbers. So it's working. The cable's working just fine. Again, it was just going to be a quick test just to make sure it actually works. All right, I hope you liked the video. I hope it helps. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Like and subscribe. Bye now.